You spend $12 on lunch. No big deal, right?
5 days a week. That's $60. Times 52 weeks. That's $3,120 a year. For lunch. Meal prep the same lunch? $3. That's $15 a week. $780 a year. You just saved $2,340. Without eating less, without eating worse. But I don't have time. Meal prep, 30 minutes on Sunday. Lunch rush, 45 minutes daily. You actually save time. $2,340 is a vacation, a new laptop, an emergency fund, or 260 lunches you already forgot. Subscribe to Stick Sense. We find the hidden costs so you keep the cash. Your $12 lunch isn't lunch. It's a $2,340 choice. Follow Stick Sense. What's your daily money leak? Comment below.